Hi, this is Champa here from India. So I had been a teacher, really when I came across the ACT, I joined this course and it was quite interesting and I joined and update myself. And I thought, what's wrong if I extend my horizon, till 25 years I was confined in India. Let's go out and explore the life. Because as the Mark Twain said, 20 years from now, you will be more surprised, unhappy what you did not do. So it's very unexpected. There was a world of unfamiliarity. I didn't know how much, happiness, knowing everything was stored into it. And it's really, I'm so happy. After I enjoyed a lot. I'm happy to what would be, I don't know exactly what would be. I'm so excited. I'm unable to express my happiness. And the best part, I have learned how to write my name in the phonetic world. Thank you
Okay,
so
great.
much.